There's a trend going around right now where you need to reverse a video on TikTok to find the hidden code. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So open up your TikTok app and save the video that you want to use. Simply press share and save. It's now going to be in your photo gallery. What you want to do is now go on Google Chrome and type in reverse a video. Once you type in reverse a video, scroll down until you see this website, EZGIF. Once you click on that, just agree to the policy and then upload your video right there where it says choose file. Once you've uploaded it, it takes a little while, but it's going to show you the video uploaded. Then you simply need to do the magic touch and just click reverse. Okay, I'm going to show you where that is now once this is loaded. This is an easy way to find out them secret codes in the reverse videos. So if you scroll down, you'll see my video is now uploaded. Just scroll past that and it does say reverse. Okay, so this is in the normal character. It's going forward. Click the reverse video blue button and it will convert it for you and pop up below in reverse fashion. You'll see now this video is going to start from the back where the TikTok symbol comes up like this and now go in reverse. Please follow for more how-to videos throughout the year.